Taping?
Mm-hmm.
This is my Fannie girl. She's a green cockatoo. That's what I call her. Because she's a snuggle bum. Alright? Oh, does she feel good? Oh, hi. Oh. Oh, does that feel good? Look at your eyes are closed. And she likes to go on her back. She's a silly birdie, right? She likes to be upside down. Oh. Hi. Hi. Does that feel good? Hmm? Oh, she's a good birdie.
Okay.
No, do more. What you doing, Fannie? Huh? Come down here. Come down here. Hi. Hi. Oh. I think Chloe's getting jealous. You hear her chirping over there? Seriously?